Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to rename your XIAOMI A Pro TV. Press the gear button on the remote to open Quick Settings. Go to All Settings and scroll down to System. In System Settings, scroll down to About, then select Device Name. Select Change and either choose a preset name or select Enter Custom Name at the bottom to manually rename. Use the virtual keyboard to enter your new custom name. Select OK to apply changes, and the TV is renamed. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.